Welcome to Jacksonville High School, home of the ninth through 12th grade Titans. This school year will look much different than in the past. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, district leaders have implemented numerous health and safety guidelines designed to keep you safe. All JHS scholars and staff members will be required to wear masks and practice social distancing of at least 6 feet. Scholars will undergo temperature screenings each morning as they arrive on campus. There will be two entrances for bus riders, the double doors near the art room and another set of doors near the Fine Arts District. Screeners will be positioned at each entrance, ready to take the scholar's temperature. Car riders will be dropped off at Titan Circle and will be screened at the main back entrance. For scholars who drive to school, you will park your vehicle behind the school in the student parking lot and walk towards Titan Arena, where screeners will be waiting for you on the sidewalk. Anyone who has a temperature of 100.4 or higher should not attend school that day. After the screening process, scholars who wish to eat breakfast will go to the cafeteria found at the bottom of these stairs right off the main level. 9th and 10th graders will head to the gym, and 11th and 12th graders will go to the auditorium until school begins. JHS has 3 floors. On the first floor, you can find the main office, media center, counselor's office, the school nurse, as well as classrooms like the cyber range and the fine arts district. On the second and third floors, you can find more classrooms, science labs, and meeting rooms. Take a look at this student schedule. If your schedule lists English 1 in room 203, that means your class is located on the second floor. Easy, right? Jacksonville High School operates on a 5-period A-B block schedule. Now, it may sound confusing at first, but you'll get the hang of it. And if you can't remember which day it is, no worries. The information will be posted on the hallway monitors. There will be 2 lunch periods each day. For lunch, scholars will be dismissed by floors, so be sure to listen for the announcement on the intercom. The same protocol will also be followed for dismissal at the end of the school day. Now that you know about the changes, let's take some time to admire this beautiful school. That concludes the virtual tour. We are excited about the start of the new school year and cannot wait to see familiar faces and meet new scholars and staff members.